Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I can do everything. Of course, you can also do everything. So today we are going to learn how to create our own hair or curls using synthetic hair, and I hope your budget can afford. You can use any synthetic hair at all. This is the outcome. So I'm using Ease Braid. This particular extension has 4 bundles per pack. I bought 2 bundles, but I bought 2 packs, but then I used only 4 bundles, so I have extra bundles as free bundles. This is ombre, and that is what I love about this hair. The tips are brown. So here you fetch a reasonable amount of hair and fold it into 2, or you fold it into 2, and then you twist where the folds are, and you pass your rollers under where the fold meets. Okay, so you make sure that it is equal when you fold. My rollers is kind of slippery, so as you can see, I'm holding on fast to the twisted hair around the rollers. Some of the rollers are very tough, so you don't have to hold it too tight whilst you are doing the twist. So you twist it until you exhaust all the hair. As long as the hair is, you have to twist this to the very end. And like I mentioned, you can use any synthetic hair of your choice. If you can afford Brazilian hair or human hair too, you can go ahead and use that, but this is more affordable and easier to twist, and because you are going to cook the hair or you are going to boil the hair. So you twist it to the very ends, and like you can see, I am making sure that nowhere of the hair is being spared. Okay, sometimes because you are doing a lot of twist on a lot of rollers, you may want to grease your fingers, and here I used shea butter. Any greasing cream that you can use, baby oil or whatever grease that you can use to support that your fingers are not you can't say so you grab a bobby pin and then attach it to the twisted hair to give you this look or this finish. I hope you understand. Good. Then this is how the whole thing should look like after you have rolled all your extensions, and you should get at least 60 rollers to do this. If you want it very full, you should get like 90 rollers to roll the hair on. And as you can see, I have boiled my water and dipped the hair inside with my shampoo. You can use any shampoo you like. Sometimes you can also forgo the shampoo. I just want my hair to have a very nice smell when I install them, so I added a little shampoo to the boiled water whilst I dip the hair inside. And here you can see that I have removed the rollers from the boiled water and pattern it with a dry towel. Okay, the rollers can be in the water for maybe 10 to 15 or 20 minutes, but then when you are done, you should make sure that you dry the hair on the roller overnight to achieve your popping curls. Okay, don't remove the hair from the rollers when you dip them in the hot water. Let it be on the rollers and dry overnight. Okay, when you are done, that is why it's small mirror. So when you are done, you have your braiding pattern. So for me, I got someone to do my cornrow for me. I'm able to do my own cornrow, but it becomes very messy, so I wanted someone to do it for me to become very nice and neat. And this pattern would give it a very nice look, especially when you want to do when you want to hold it up high. You have to do it this style so that it will look very natural, like you have braided. And as you can see, I've started doing my installation. Let me know if you know how to do crochet, or if you don't know how to do crochet, so that in my next hair video I would really take my time and show you how to install the crochet on your head. So the curls pop up very well when you leave it overnight. Don't put it under the sun, because you can reuse the hair over and over again. And this is the finished product. Okay, let me know how what you think, and then Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. See you in my next video.